hey baby, good morning. How's your sleep? No, that's good. I'm glad you slept well. How's your how's your stomach doing? It's doing good. Mm. In your head. Is your head feeling okay? That's good, I'm glad. I'm glad your head's feeling okay. You were feeling really, really sick. You had this pounding headache, and I'm glad you feel a lot better, princess. No, sweetie, is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Maybe some water, or I could make you breakfast. Yeah? Or do you want a purse? I can get you a purse. Or a brand new car. I remember the other day I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini. I can buy 3 of those for you. Or maybe a jet. Do you want a jet? I can buy you a jet. No? You just want me to lie down here with you? Yeah, I can do that, baby. Of course I can. You know, it's gonna be 3 of us very, very soon. Me, you, and the baby. I know. It's crazy. I really never thought. I really never thought that I would ever be a father. But being with you and having a baby soon is such a dream come true. I'm so happy. I know, baby. I know it's scary. It is. But everything's gonna be okay. Alright? Your baby's gonna be so beautiful. Everything's gonna be okay. You have me. We have each other. And we're gonna have a beautiful baby. And everything's gonna be okay. Because we'll always have each other. Mm. Mm. Let me feel your belly. Mm. Your stomach is so smooth. I think I can feel the baby moving. Yeah, the baby was definitely moving. I can feel it kicking slightly. I still can't believe that we're gonna be parents. It's crazy. We're gonna be a family. I love you so much. Sweetie, don't worry, okay? You don't need to worry. Okay. Everything's gonna be okay. You're gonna do fine. You're gonna be a great mother and you're gonna do fine, okay? Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. Of course I know. I know that everything's gonna be okay because you have such a kind heart. You're so loving. You're so nurturing. And that's how I know that you're gonna be a great mother. So you don't have to worry, okay? Of course I'm gonna be a good father, sweetie. I mean, I think I'm gonna be a great father. I'm gonna raise our baby from the ground up. I'm gonna love every single moment of our family. I'm gonna love every single moment with you. And I'm always gonna take care of you. And I'm always gonna take care of the baby. Because you guys are my everything. You know, when I first saw you, I knew you were the one. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. I just had to come up and say hi to you. I was nervous. I was really, really, really nervous. And when you gave me your number, I was surprised. I was really, really surprised. And when we went on our first date, I just knew you were the one. You were so caring, so loving. Everything about you was perfect. You were perfect. And I just loved you so much. I fell in love with you really quick. And now, look at us now. It's like a dream come true. I mean, I can't believe it myself. The baby's kicking right now. Yeah. Baby's kicking kind of hard. Let me grab that. Let me grab the hot water bottle for you, yeah. It's gonna make you feel better. Give me 1 second, sweetie. Here you go, sweetie. Got you that heated water bottle for your belly. Here, let me put it on your belly. There you go. Doesn't that feel better, sweetie? Of course, baby, I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you and the baby. Let me cuddle. Let me cuddle with you. Come here close. Come here close. Just like that. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. And your lips. You got the most beautiful lips in the world. Your lips are really, really beautiful. There's just something about your lips that just draws me in. Especially when you smile. You light up the whole room. And it feels like everything fades away. And it's just me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky. So lucky to be with you. It really does. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your voice, combined with the way your lips move, it's just so mesmerizing. And it makes everything you say feel so special. I really do appreciate you as a whole. And your lips are now just beautiful. They hold so much warmth and kindness. And it makes it so comforting to be close to you. I know you don't hear this from me often, but you are amazing. Inside and out. And your lips. Your lips are just a part of that. And your hair. And I just love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. It is. And I just love the way how the light just shines on your hair. It just kind of glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just kind of frames your face so perfectly. But I really do love running my fingers through your hair. It's so